I am G.K. Naik, Associate Professor of Zoology, Srimati Indira Gandhi Government First Grade Women's College, Saga. Today I am going to demonstrate how to study the mitosis in onion root tips or by means of squash preparation of onion root tips. Cell division, which basically is involved in increasing the cell numbers in animals as well as plants, is of two types. One, mitosis, and two, meiosis. Mitosis is also called equational cell division. Meiosis is also called reductional cell division because meiosis reduces the chromosome number to half of the parent cell numbers, and this is a very important type of cell division that takes place in the cells of the gonads, which results in the formation of haploid gametes. Haploid gametes are necessary wherever the sexual type of reproduction is involved, both in plants and animals. The mitotic cell division or equational cell division or somatic cell division takes place in all tissues where the body growth is involved. So the main significance of mitotic cell division is to increase the cell number for the growth process or for the replacement of the dead or worn out cells. Mitotic cell division is distinguished into the four phases, basic phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The study of all these four stages is based on the characteristic features or movement of chromosomes during the cell division. The process of study is usually carried out at the college level by onion root tip squash preparation. Onion root tips are ideal materials for the study of mitosis because onion root tips have a rapidly dividing tissue known as meristematic tissue. For the purpose of study of mitosis by onion root tip squash, the requirements are fresh or preserved, properly preserved onion root tips, 1 normal hydrochloric acid, 1N hydrochloric acid, 45% glacial acetic acid, and aceto-arsine style, and also the glasswares like the watch glass, cover cavity blocks, glass slide, cover strip, and a microscope is also. In the case of preservation of onion root tips, proper fixative is used. Freshly cut root tips are first soaked in fixative, normally carnage fluid, overnight, and for long-term preservation, the root tips are preserved in 70% alcohol. So today I am going to use the preserved onion root tips in 70% alcohol. First, the root tips are soaked in 1 normal hydrochloric acid for about 15 minutes. The purpose of soaking the root tips in 1 normal hydrochloric acid is to make the root tip soft. Hydrochloric acid softens the adjacent binding material between the cells, thereby hydrochloric acid soaking makes the root tips very ideal for the squash preparation. So after the 15 minutes, the hydrochloric acid soaked root tips are thoroughly washed in distilled water. Thoroughly washed in distilled water. This is because no trace of hydrochloric acid should be left for the staining process. If hydrochloric acid is present, it interferes with the staining process, and therefore proper washing of the hydrochloric acid soaked wood tips is very essential in order to get good results. So after thorough washing with the distilled water, the root tips are stained in acetoarsine stain. A few drops, 8 to 10 drops of acetoarsine are added to the thoroughly washed root tips, and the root tips are stained for about 10 to 15 minutes. So 10 to 15 minutes with proper concentration of acetoarsine, 10 to 15 minutes is enough for staining the cells of the onion root tip. So after staining, the root tip is taken on a clean glass slide, and a drop of 45% glacial acetic is also added. Excess of stain that is unbound to the root tip is wiped off with the help of a blotting paper, and then a clean cover slip is placed over the root tip without allowing the air bubble inside. So after doing like this, that is placing the cover slip with the help of a blotting paper, over the cover slip, blotting paper, a gentle pressure is applied on the cover slip with the help of the thumb. So gentle pressure applied on the cover slip is enough to spread or to make a squash of the processed root tip. So this squashed root tip is then observed under the compound microscope. Generally, it is enough if you observe under the 10x or low power of the compound microscope in order to examine whether the squashing is proper, that is, the squashing is uniform, and we are able to get a uniform spreading of the cells or not. So after examining the slide under the low power for the good spreading, if the squash is a good one and spreading is uniform, and even under the low power also, it is possible to locate the stages or identify different stages, prophase, metaphase, anaphase or telophase. So when you observe such cells or the cells in which different chromosomes belonging to different stages are identified, then the squash or the slide is then turned to the 45x or the high power of the microscope, and proper examination, scanning and examination of the slide is performed. So with the help of an eyepiece, pointer eyepiece, it is possible to locate different stages or different phases, either the prophase, metaphase, anaphase or the telophase involved in the mitotic process. So very important points involved in the squash preparation of the squash preparation of the onion root tips is to take properly preserved or fresh onion root tips, proper soaking of the onion root tips in 1 normal hydrochloric acid, and thorough washing of the hydrochloric acid soaked onion root tips, and allowing sufficient time for the root tips to get stained. And a good microscope with high power is also essential to visualize the different phases and to show and demonstrate the mitotic process. Thank you.